A career in automotive technology is more than just working on cars. It's about innovation, problem solving, and making a real impact. Skilled automotive experts play a vital role in keeping communities moving. TMCC offers a 2-year associate's degree in transportation technologies with an emphasis in automotive technology, along with 1-year certificates for every level, from general maintenance to ASE certified master technicians. Our hands-on courses cover everything from electrical systems and brakes to transmissions and engine performance, ensuring you're job ready from day one. Plus, with industry partnerships at various auto dealerships, you'll get exclusive training and career pathways at no extra cost. The automotive industry is constantly adapting, and demand for skilled professionals has never been higher, whether you want to be a technician, engineer, or supervisor. Salaries vary among employers and earning potential rises with experience. Enroll at TMCC today and drive your future forward.